Need to find the exact latitude and longitude coordinates for a location using Google Maps? Whether you're on a computer or your mobile phone, here is how to check them instantly. If you're on a computer, open your web browser and go to Google Maps. Find the spot you are interested in and simply right-click directly on the location. A small context menu will pop up, and you'll see the exact latitude and longitude coordinates in decimal format right at the top. To copy them, just left-click on the coordinates and they'll be saved to your clipboard. If you are using your mobile phone, open the Google Maps app and locate your desired spot. Tap and hold your finger on the map to drop a red pin. On Android, the coordinates will immediately appear in the search bar at the top of your screen. On an iPhone, tap on the dropped pin details card at the bottom to expand it, and you'll find the latitude and longitude listed right there. If this quick coordinate guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.